When you change the length of the cutting length, first you put here like you want 1 meters. Put here and you running the machines and you check for this middle strips. Check it if cut in the middle. You can see this is half cut, half didn't cut. If you found it's cut too less, or here cut too near this way, you have to adjust the parameter. Adjust this one, the interval length between the fly cut. If you found that this one is cut too less, and you reduce these numbers. If you found it cut here too many, and you increase this, just test every time when you change the length. So if you make same length and you don't need just adjust one time, it will be okay.